The third project in the project group is a SQL Server ORM sample. ORM samples are currently available for SQL Server, MySQL, and MariaDB, and for other databases, you can use any other ORM and integrate it into this library easily. Let's have a look at the code and structure of this sample. Well, same as simple and advanced mode, you need to do initialization first. I didn't write it in the form create event because I wanted to create a database in this sample too. If you remember from other videos, we just created some tables so far. Take note that when you are going to create a database, you must connect to the master database first, create your new database, and close the connection. Then you have to reopen a connection that connects to your database to be ready for DDL operations. To create a database with this library, you need to do initialization, but consider the database name that should be master in SQL Server. Then you must create a runner and an ORM object. You must assign ORM to runner 2. Now, this mini ORM is able to generate DDL scripts based on your codes here. It will create the database, and free the local runner here. In the second step, when I'm going to add migrations first, I connect to my new database with another initialization process and different connection parameters. Let me drop my test database and let's go and see how it works. Oops, I had breakpoints here. Done, and the result is certainly a new database that is empty. Then I add migrations and upgrade details. If I refresh the database, we should see new tables and fields. As I told you before, you are not forced to use internal ORM. You can easily replace it with any others, and here in this command, submit changes, you can define your own builder object which is responsible for generating scripts. Here are my new entities. Let me show you migrations in ORM format. You need an ORM object that is assigned to the runner. Now the ORM is able to generate scripts. Please check the code regarding ORM usage. To create the database with this library, you need to do initialization, but consider the database name that should be master in SQL Server. Then you must create a runner and an ORM object. You must assign ORM to runner 2. Now, this mini ORM is able to generate DDL scripts based on your codes here.